Guys, I'm so excited to share this Penne alla Vodka recipe with you. Like, it was so yummy and delicious. I wish I made more than I did. The intensity of the vodka and the cheese, my goodness, it was delicious. So let me introduce you to the ingredients. So here I have some chopped sausages, and parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. And here is my chopped habanero peppers, red onion, and my spices: salt, black pepper, garlic, bouillon cube, oregano, and parsley. And next is fresh parsley for garnish. And this is some cooking cream that I would use to create that creamy sauce. And of course a star, which is penne pasta. And this is some diced chicken breast with some salt and pepper and vodka, obviously. So in a boiling water, you want to add some salt. You always add salt when you're cooking your pasta, and throw in your penne, and then you cook according to the package instructions. Yeah, so when that's done, you want to take it out and sieve immediately, and I reserve some of that pasta water that I would use to thicken up my sauce much later. And then I just rinse it off until the water ran cool, and then let it drain. Next, I added some vegetable oil in a pan, and then I added my diced chicken just to fry it up. So basically by now you should know how to fry chicken. I've been frying too much chicken on this channel. So, and after that I fried my sausages until they were beautiful brown. And after that, I started the cooking by sauteing my onions until they became translucent, and I added my diced garlic. And after that, I added my tomato paste. Oh guys, sorry, I forgot to introduce this and I was introducing the ingredients. So basically I added tomato paste to give it that red color you see every time. And then I added my chopped habaneros, and then I fried it until it became sweet. And after that, I added the vodka. This was too sweet. I was so scared. Meanwhile, it's the first time I'm cooking with vodka. So I let that cook, and then until the vodka evaporated, as you can see here. And next I added my cooking cream and some pasta water to just lighten it up. And I stirred all that together to combine very well. And after that, I started adding my spices. I started with some salt, black pepper, oregano, bouillon seasoning, dried parsley. And then I stirred that all together to combine very well and let it cook for about a minute or so. And after that, I added my cooked penne pasta that was draining. And then I combined this all together to create some yumminess. And I added a bit more pasta water just to loosen up the sauce. You can add more water if you like your sauce more loose than this, but for me this was great. And next I added all of my grilled proteins and my cheese. And then I just combined everything together until the cheese melted, literally. And that's all I did with this, and it's so beautiful, guys. Like the taste and the smell in my kitchen, and then see that cheese draw. Delicious. And guys, if you were able to get to this point in this video, I think you should give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't. And next I added some fresh parsley for some garnish and pictures, guys. Trust me, guys, if you make this for your friends, they'll be willing to give you some money. Just remember to give me my percent when they do, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.